Oh Lord, I don't know if you step on. Lord.
Put over your foot.
Why? Okay, got it. All right. So sit down over here, so. Boy. But I prefer to sit down right in there.
All right.
Sit right in there, so.
So go on now.
No, man, me not do it.
Ready, my general?
Okay, hi guys. Welcome back to the channel where you get a little like everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel. And this morning we are heading to Mass Nevi in a van back again. So, oh wow.
Turn over now.
Oh boy, everything are going around here, so okay.
No, you can't stay there, so.
I know. Hold on, let me bend down because if you like I say. Oh no. You have to watch that drum too. Oh wow. You alright, Marcel?
Yeah.
You reach up this up.
What don't? I can't jump off here, so.
I have to do that too. You have the phone ringing. You can't handle that right now. Oh wow. You hear me name? I think somebody just shout out my name.
Roy. Yeah?
Oh, stand up and hold the drum.
Hold on.
Might have to throw this away. Oh. So guys. Oh, I have to go up here, so now.
Make sure you say hold on, you know.
Hold on. Oh Lord, this one is a tough one this morning, guys. We're heading to Mass Nevi and we are taking a drum of water to him because the time is dry and he has no water, so we're taking a drum of water to him. So that's why Marcel is up there holding on to the drum, and we're taking a number of other things as well, which you'll know more about when we get there. But for now, enjoy the journey. Whoa, my head!
Yeah, man.
Have to be ducking from bamboo. Oh. Whoa! And of course we have to big up Rumpy this morning.
Yes.
Rumpy always help us out once he's here. And so
if we have something like this, you know, that's nice.
oh yeah. Okay.
Got to see this.
Oh,
not bad.
here is not too bad now. We can sit up this side.
Watch it, you know. Yeah.
Oh.
Go on right round.
Man. That's not funny.
Watch it.
Bamboo. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, guys, so we're almost there. I had to sit like right down in the van because the road is so rough and they don't want a chance sitting up on the top here and then go fall off, you know. So
right out in a cool there. In a shade there, sir. One up, one up. Turn. No, sir.
no turn with me. We are
I mean, you can't. One up more. You want to turn that corner there, sir? One.
Oh no.
Get this.
You say yes, sir. Oh, the breeze is nice.
Can put it back up on the bumper, sir.
Boy, make me go down.
Wrap up and come back. All right.
Have to hold that drum.
I tell you. Me see you almost throw a soup.
Reach, guys, reach. Thank you,
Yes,
Jesus.
reach. All right.
Okay. Woo.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Me, I tell you. That one a tough one.
Why, Rumpy? We survive. Man, I have to like sit down literally in the van. Oh, guys, we have a whole heap of things to offload right now.
So you want to cut off something there? I want bath or something.
Don't. Yeah, bring down those. Okay, guys, so we reach. Rumpy help us to carry down the water, but there's a full drum of water that we brought for him. Whoa, see me I drop like me that drink something as well. And when we come, we carry them.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, Marcel. Come out now.
Man, jump.
Oh, okay. Whee! All right.
Now you papi off.
All right.
Yeah, come in now. Yeah, drink the soup.
All right. Rump here. Take off stuff. Whew. Oh.
General, where I deal with? Yes. No rough now.
When you say things rough.
Yeah, bossy. All right.
Yes, you can't another gentleman.
No, we're not giving no drinking water. We have see drinking water there.
You want that one in a jug?
Yeah, that's our drinking water. Can't pump out that in a. Yeah. In a. Huh?
So we have to go build from this one and pour into that?
Yeah. Huh? I'm going to show bucket. So I go on.
Bad times, the boat that give praises. Take the bad time, see all of them. Thanks to all of them, my boss. Good times and the bad times.
So we are bring down the sand, guys. That's the sand to stop up the holes. That's in Mass Nevi's house.
See, never reach a petal with him, son.
No, just go. Get it down here.
Yeah.
Now we're happy. About 4 o'clock she leaves today. So Let's see if we can do it, you know?
I'm gonna go pump out the water now. So guys, it has been a rough start to the morning because we had to be gathering all these things to come up here. So we're giving God thanks though. We are here. We know Mass Nevi never have any water and we wanted to ensure that he has water. So here we are. So we hope to stop up those holes in the house and to do a little something with the front part of the doorway as well, because when it rains it's a lot of water and it's rather stony and not safe for Mass Nevi as he's unable to see what's happening.
Watch your hose on your foot, lift up your foot. Ready? Yeah.
But you start already. I only film. Filling up Mass Nevi's drum now. So at least you'll have water because we haven't been getting any rain. So everybody I know, is suffering from the water shortage right now, or the drought rather.
I just wash off the outside when we're done.
Yeah, tell Rumpy say full.
Wow! Why my seat?
Oh.
What's left in there? Just some carrots, Just one carrot in there.
Oh, carrot, yeah. Me glad say you want him. That means we're not in there.
What water jug you have there, Papa?
Yes.
See,
Yeah, man.
Mass Nevi, where your water jug?
Yes, ma'am, I have it, ma'am.
Hurry up.
Hold on, don't come no further yet.
Why?
We're not waiting.
Oh, God, man. You know, see how beautiful. You have to go big water.
Put it on. Alright.
Yeah. Enough in that line look like you can't fill up the jug.
Yeah. Well, I just want to feel one.
And you know, Marcel, there's a little hole to the side of this drum. You forgot to bail out. Yeah. See it there?
This is
Not much.
this is
Yes. Mass Nevi,
I didn't see it.
where you get that drum here?
Huh?
Where you get that drum here?
You know, say?
I see him, John, did always there?
Yeah.
They look different.
Very dirty.
It won't.
No, sir.
It won't wash off.
No, sir. I see it too.
Go right all the way down with the right hand. Look how it was. That's one more like it.
So
Whoa, all the way up. And I'm more in there now, but
what I can drink?
We carry what? Drinking water for you. You can't, we don't want you to drink that water outside. We are good back to water.
Yes,
You thirsty?
No, sir. What? Me drink somehow.
Drink some water, man. Drink one water.
oh, you did drink some of what did they here?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
We are good drinking water.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
You can't drink, but
Yes.
yeah, you have water, can't last. So we bring you a case of water.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
That at the right water.
Yes, man. We have a few donors who would have sent some things for you. We'll soon tell you about it.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
just make sure Marcel and Rumpy get the water. So we bring you a drum to you, Mass Nevi.
Yeah.
Yes. So that it will build the water from fuel.
Oh, we are, man. God. That you know, so that you can put inside the house.
You want it inside the house?
Tell me it rain fall now, me build water.
Yes.
And throw in a head, so me know so it's safe.
Okay, no problem. So you have one outside catching water.
And one inside.
Yes. And we bring the cover for it as well.
Yes, man. Gotta work.
Yes, man.
Look at 2 inch. Look, turn the face.
Yeah, him saying they want it inside.
Alright. Watch
So you could have just
Yes, ma'am.
put it inside so you have it.
You throw water in there.
You run about?
Yes, sir.
One right.
I went to you, I told them out there, keep them.
Inside.
Yes. Yeah, man. Pull it inside, man. Safe. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you, bless up as usual.
regular thing, eh?
Yeah, once a day you come through for we.
Alright. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So
Nah.
you cover everything there, on it.
Yeah.
This will take up. This will move out there. You know what?
Mass Nevi, we're going to push away your carpet a little bit, yeah?
Yes, man.
You know, if you walk on it every time. Alright.
Yes,
We bring you some grocery this morning.
Yes, ma'am.
And we, you know, a donor would have sent funds for us to get your groceries, all right? Right. And then we have another donor who wanted us to get you a case of water.
Yeah.
And she sent some funds for a medical purpose.
Yes,
So now you were asking me about the eye drops. So Miss Eula, she would have sent it to us.
You send it?
Yes, our son sent it to us and asked us if we can get it. So we went to the pharmacy and got it this morning. So we have the eye drops for you.
Good, man.
Right.
You use it yourself?
No, me got somebody drop it in for me.
Oh, so you did get one before?
Yes, man.
And it finished?
Yes.
So it not last long then?
You last no time.
Because he went January 9 to the
1 month.
to the appointment.
Yeah, a month.
And today is the 10th, so 1 month it lasts.
Yes, man.
And you use it every day?
Yes, deep morning and evening.
2 times per day.
Yeah.
Drop, you know, so if you even a big, it still work.
Yes.
Drop.
Yeah, so Mass Nevi, because I don't know, but Miss Yola did talk to you about what them say at the appointment when you go. She did tell you what them say?
When we go come back.
But they not tell you nothing else?
No.
Oh, okay.
You go tell them to come back.
Okay, okay.
To come back.
All right, no problem.
June
So
to come back.
June.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so as I said before, one donor sent funds to get groceries for you. So we got your eggs and your syrup and your tin food, and you'll see.
If you could if I buy sometime, I beg you buy chicken food for me.
Oh, if you make soup.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. All right, no problem.
Yes.
So next time we get you some chicken foot.
Yes, Mark and Dougal.
And yeah, cock
You know,
soup.
so take a cock soap.
Yeah.
Yes.
Will I take up, you know?
Yeah.
Yes,
We still can get you some
So when you want to do soap today?
No, man. No, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to tell you next time.
so next time we come in, we
Next time
bring
you
it.
come. Yeah, man.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. And so also Miss Vera in Troy. You know Miss Vera, Mass Nevi?
Yes, ma'am.
She sent you one suitcase because she said she watch you all the time.
Yes, ma'am.
And she said to tell her that she love you very much. She love you.
Good, ma'am.
So she sent you one suitcase and she said to put your clothes in it.
Yes.
And she sent you a food pan.
Yeah.
So you don't see the food pan there?
So people love me, man.
Yes.
Man.
And she put a basin in there for you to wash your dishes.
Yeah.
And she put one bag of sugar as well.
Lord Jesus.
Yes.
God,
Right, so she said you can put up your little Lasco and your
Yes,
butter so that no
See sugar in it?
no rat or anything don't
Can't
get
go
it.
like this.
You put your food in this.
Yes, your
And this
pack.
your basin. You know, too tight, you know, because you can't eat so much food.
No, man.
Only when you drink soup, you use one of them.
Yes.
That's all.
Yes, man. God bless them, man. God. Yes, man.
Mass Nevi, you cannot drink soup from it. You hear it's too big.
You not that, Mass Nevi, and full your belly.
God bless them people.
Yes, man.
God, I provide for me, man.
Oh yes,
But
yes.
you know what happens, sir?
Jug cock tonight, because
We have a cocky jug. You know what happened to me? Me say, me two things even going. Want me take something from the shop lady and you did say I'll pay.
Oh, whenever.
Don't worry about it, man. I'll take care of it still.
Yes.
Yes.
Lady,
You go back down there?
Yes, I'm going to tell her.
Oh, okay. Oh, you didn't ask her if you come yet?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll pay it.
All right.
Yes.
We'll pay it.
Yes,
Because we never go in the lane since.
Yes, yes. All right. Cool.
So, see, Marcel have the eye drops there.
It's got the eye drop.
We'll drop it right now.
Oh, you drop it there right now? Now waste.
No.
Now waste no time.
Emergency, no. This is emergency thing, you know.
Emergency.
Yes, emergency. Man. You don't know emergency.
As it come an emergency,
Yes.
suppose you never get it.
Boy, I'm here fret.
You know, for fret.
Pray.
Yes.
Can't fret, Mass Nevi, man.
So it's one drop to each eye.
Yes, man.
Suppose you never in there.
What the
You
eye
know what I
drops?
tell me say too?
Let me wash my hand, man.
You know what I tell me say? Say
You-
nothing egg. When
So-
you greater than nothing egg.
Greater nothing egg?
And boil it and juice it.
Oh, nutmeg.
Nothing egg, yes.
So when you grate it, you're supposed to juice it and do what? Drop it in the eye?
Yes.
But you can't use nothing else when you use your eye drops in a Mass Nevi.
No, I mean, I follow by them myself. Me.
Yeah, so
Me
maybe
follow-
if it, maybe it's good, but
Yes,
on the eye drops, so
A long time I tell me
you.
something, but me say, me not like
I think we hear it before, so
Yes.
it can't use,
Yeah.
but you're using the eye drops, so stick with it.
Yes, man.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
You're not even afraid of it. Watch it.
No, man.
Ah!
One. You get it?
No.
No, not in there? Where is it?
Yes, all right.
Yeah, man, you get it, man.
Oh.
See why you run water.
You meet, sir, from
You
what?
put in a box.
Put in my hand so I know which part you put in.
Yeah, man. But this thing is a...
Alright, so we never finished yet. So you get the food pan from Miss Vera, the suitcase, and you know your sugar and you wash the dishwashing basins. Alright, so we have a donor as well who would have sent funds for us to get the radio. So we carry the radio for you today.
Oh, God, man, make a clap. Oh, God, man. I tell the party that you know me lonely, man.
We know so you're happy for the radio.
You're gonna call if you don't keep your company.
You're so busy. You're so busy, man.
Yes.
You're busy,
Yes.
man. I say, man, you got to it, you know.
Yes.
but-
Mass Nevi, you were calling us Sunday.
Yes, man.
It means that I have to
Here there.
Oh,
We buy a
yeah.
solar. Marcel tell him about it so him know how to operate it.
So this is the one where you put in a sun for charge.
Yes. Put
You
it.
can put it right at your window.
Yes.
You want to feel off it?
Yes, sir. So you just put this at your window.
Yeah.
Yes.
Out the door.
Sun, yeah, man, you can put it out the door in the sun.
You have to pull
So
out the
button one
back.
turn on it.
Yes.
You have one pole pan, you know.
Yeah.
Pull it. To the bottom knob. Over the next side. Up at in the front, man. Front. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That one there. Turn it. You use your finger and turn it around. With 2 fingers.
You have to use a whole hand,
Finger,
Mass
Mass
Nevi.
Nevi. 2 finger, turn it.
Like
down,
when you're
yeah.
turning.
Next round, right. Spinning? Yeah.
That is my home.
You just
I'm
understand.
gonna love
Has
that.
to. If me not get nothing better, make God to God give
You're
thanks.
glad with the radio.
Turn it around. So turn
As you said that
Turn it.
back in the Bible, like
and then you see one top knob there, you know, that one up there, so?
Yeah.
we're not
I
gonna,
to use stationing.
Yes.
So turn it.
And how you find it? How do you find the station one too?
Yeah, man, I turn it, find the station. Just take time turning, you don't have to pressure it.
to his upper body and both knees.
You see that?
The son was rushed to the hospital where
Yeah,
he
man.
was
See news
pronounced
already?
dead.
Nikitan.
A report
Yes, yes.
But that one.
So Marcel,
Yes, so we get the news. Hold on.
hold on there. The back of that, he has to pull it out for it to get to the
Oh,
sun.
yeah.
Show it. So Mass Nevi, make him feel it so him know how. There's a
That
little.
front turn to you.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Push
Easy.
out it.
Yes.
Push it right up. Yes.
Yeah, see, stop now. Nobody break it off. Take time.
But you know, can't see the same way too.
Yeah, it can
It could, so you know have to, you know.
But it depends on which part you put it. You know, when you go put it in a place where, you know, it have to go black in if you fit on it, you know?
What else do me that put it?
No, I mean like when you put it inside where you put it on,
Yeah.
you have to put it on one surface where you not drop.
Yes.
It come with one charger?
Yeah, charger.
There's a charger there, you know, so if the time, yeah.
No, man,
maybe.
you could recharge one.
Yeah, just.
Sun charge it. So the knob, if you turn on it, there bottom.
Yes.
At the front?
Try turn it on again and see if you get it.
This
Yeah, man, I hit it.
Down,
Yeah,
that's the top one. Right under that one that you just touched. Go down with your hand.
So, yeah, man, you want
Oh,
it.
this one.
Okay.
Yes, man, this is all right on this side, top one.
So turn on it, make we see what going on, man.
Turn on it, this side, turn on.
That station.
Oh, on this side.
Yes.
Arm was raised.
You see that?
Oh, you see you got it? Alright, turn it off now, Mass Nevi. Good.
Yes, man, I understand.
Yes.
Thanks.
Alright, see suitcase. I want to see it now.
Oh, she put a pillowcase in there
Oh,
for you.
yes, I want to see
It's
it
in the
now.
pocket. It's
What are people, they God? We have to pray to God different,
This
you know?
arm is very nice, Mass Nevi. I
Yes.
see she get one black pillowcase. But this is a king size pillowcase in my boss.
God.
Yeah.
See if I get one king size pillow.
Yes.
Put in it.
Yeah.
King size, see there? Extra.
Sometimes you see people, you not even know, say people are penetrate, you know, sir.
yes.
I love them,
Love no man.
That's why I put in a big plant now, so it's hard to find.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, man.
Alright,
All
so
your clothes can hold
Hold
that,
on,
so I put in a one can.
Right.
So we just want to say thanks to all the persons who would have donated to Mass Nevi. We
Man,
thank you very much,
very
and we
much.
pray that your store basket will
Never
never
empty,
be
man.
empty. Mass Nevi is more than appreciative, and I'm extremely
God.
happy for the radio
Oh,
because
God.
it can get a little lonely up here. Mass Nevi,
Yes, sir.
watch the pole on your eye.
Yes, sir.
Pull it down.
This is right up.
Pull it down.
Just push it right down.
Yes, take your time. We can't go
Yeah,
down.
right.
Alright, that good.
Yes,
Yes. So guys, thanks so much. And
Thank
so
you,
today,
man. Thank him, man.
yes.
You radio, man.
Yes.
Your company,
This time me never out radio yet, you know?
yeah.
Yes.
No, as long as me about radio, man. For your company, you want you hear to go on, man.
Yes. Yes. Because Mass Nevi were to come long time, you know.
Me know, man.
Just could not get to come. But you were calling us on Sunday. I
Yes.
never saw the missed call because I saw Sister Petal's number.
Yes.
Right. So it wasn't until in the evening that we got to her. She said you were trying to call us.
Yes. I mean, I said, well, I know it go already. So
Yeah,
me
so
no
we
work
wanted
what's
to
it.
come yesterday, it just never worked out
Work
either.
out, yes.
But we were determined and
Yes,
said
sir.
we come in today, no
Yeah.
matter what.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. So Mass Nevi, what we're gonna do today?
Yes,
think
ma'am.
you're here already. We have to stop up the holes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yeah.
So you eat breakfast this morning?
Me just, you know, say, me go get piece of bread a while ago.
Yeah, we carry bread for you, you know. We carry bread and you have eggs and stuff. You have syrup as well.
Yes.
You did run out of rice too?
You know, so me have rice, but the most important thing are the fish kind, you know?
Yes, we know, because that always I run out leave the other stuff.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, we bring you some of that too. We soon go through it, alright?
Yes, ma'am. God bless you, boy. Sit people with me, so.
So you want me pack out the stuff in the food pan for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, me soon do it here.
Yes, ma'am. And then see them now from molest me food. Man.
Yes, no rats.
Touch your phone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you should have, alright, you did out of water too.
Yes, I mean, they run out of water.
Where were you getting water?
You know, say I just said to me, Peter la call your dog, they make it a bucket of water.
Oh, you carry one jug?
Yes, this
Yes.
it. And that jug you see you full out there, so me get it. Over Miss Lady there.
Oh, okay. From your neighbor?
Yes, ma'am.
Put on the right side of you.
Oh, all right.
Which cock, Marcel?
Big job.
Oh. So Marcel is digging away the doorway. Oh, Marcel, how far you going to dig it to?
Yeah, make sure say half.
The water.
Here, right in the doorway there, so.
Yes, the water no come over.
Okay.
No water can't go in when it rains.
I hit my problem, you come over the water.
So Mass Nevi,
Yes, ma'am.
who weed up the yard
No,
for you?
man.
Are you weed it up,
Yes,
so?
yes, man.
What you saying?
I'm just be, you know, so I'm going to eye beat me, no, man.
Yes.
Whatever me eye me be me move mountains, simple to me, man.
Yeah, that do way more stuff, not true?
Yes, man. When me see place all the tree out there, so bad, you know. And so if it was pretty.
Oh, yeah. When me come in, me I say, what looks so red? The flowers pretty, man.
Pretty, man. If you could get a plant it and plant it, man.
Yeah.
You in your bougainvilleas?
Yes, when you bring a fall, me say, and it will go white, you know.
Yes.
They have pink, white, red, orange.
All that they're white too.
This one have a time when it turns white?
White, yes, man.
Oh, it is so beautiful. When I was coming, I see this red thing. I'm like, what is that? Then me look, it's a tree.
Yes, man. Nice flowers, white. Sometimes I wouldn't believe.
Yeah.
You have flowers too, you know, miss. Uncle Christmas time is white, you know. You know them flowers? It never white till Christmas time.
You know which one was it?
What flowers?
There's a flower that
Uncle Christmas.
yeah.
Get white?
White, yeah.
You don't know.
Yes, man.
And what did they hear so again, Mass Nevi, when me see you have one fire? One tree did it there?
Over there, so?
Right in front of us right here.
This is a bush.
Because it did always tall up.
Yes, man, a bush.
You did a good job, Mass Nevi, man.
That me used to do, man. Me used to do gardening, you know.
Yes.
Go around and people have me one lawn more, go around cut yard. When time you cut yard, you see what clothes me get are shoes. Yeah, you have to give it to myself.
You give it to myself, so.
People love how me work, man.
Yeah.
All Christmas time,
Yes.
you can't manage. Every yard to yard, you know.
Yes.
You have your yard, me come cut it, the next yard, me come cut it.
Oh.
And the poor more we have, you know.
We used to use machete or weed whacker.
Poor more, man, that time I never know no worker.
We used to use?
Poor more.
Lawnmower.
Yeah.
Oh.
You don't know worker. You never do worker, you tell you. I just let the worker come. I'll examine a depot. I walk through them used to cut it. Examine a depot. I walk through it.
Oh,
Used to
okay.
cut it.
Yes.
Yard big.
Remember you.
And that means.
You want me to take them, Mass Nevi?
Mama.
Those things you have, just rest them right here so till we finish.
No.
Give me. Stretch. Alright. And give me the cover in your hand.
I say cover.
Yeah.
Yes, boy. You really man.
Give me the pan now. Alright, we soon start out these for you.
Yes, Really. Yes, mommy, get me radio.
As if you're singing, get your radio.
And I box here, Kippy.
In this box? Can't keep in there.
No, sir, you can't play in my box.
So what you asking?
Yeah, put it up here, so man.
You want to make game of you, Mass Nevi, but if you're going to put in the box, so you're playing in the box.
Where were you there?
It's in the thing here.
In my box?
No, man, in the basin, me just take from him.
So you have to buy no battery for it.
No.
That is the thing.
That's a day.
Battery, you know, but you don't want no battery.
So that means you don't have to always go buy battery and something.
Never next park another, so you know.
You can't let me because this one in the park.
Yes, man, me do that one. I want a better park, man.
Which part take them, Mass Nevi?
And I bed down.
Oh.
Me park it. That the park we use this one for the bread we are walking.
Oh. Oh, the one they were using, Marzala, the one we bring? The fork you were using, the one we carry? Or we never bring no fork? Mass Nevi have me fork and then
Park
bed.
there. If me park we under my bed, so. But my teeth one thing already. Get this good.
Oh. Careful. Just push it, Mass Nevi. Also, guys, as I remember, just want to make an appeal on behalf of a lady. Her name is Carmen Williams. She lives in Portmore, and she has not been walking for the last 4 years, I believe that she said. And so she's asking for assistance with a wheelchair. We are at the moment not able to get to her because of the distance. However, I did promise her that we would make an appeal on her behalf. So if there is someone who is living close in the area of Portmore and you have a wheelchair, can give it to her. We'd be more than appreciative. You can always reach out to us at 512-4055. All right. So thanks so much, and may God richly bless you. All right, so that's Carmen Williams, and she's in Portmore, and she's asking for assistance with a wheelchair, and she's unable to walk.
I'll put this up.
So the aim is to dig it below here.
Yeah.
So much stones they did them. Mass Nevi, you pack up some of them stone here?
Yes, my patchouli. Miss, I've been mud, you know, because I've been mud. You should do it in a farm.
Yes.
So you have to pack the stone if you keep up in mud.
Yeah.
Pure mud.
Okay, guys, so as it relates to Carmen Williams, she did mention that she has a wheelchair, but it's just that she has to push herself around in it. So I suppose that, you know, one of those that are, you know, one of those battery ones would be better for her. So she wouldn't have to be pushing around all the time. All right. All right, thanks so much. Yeah, tough. Mass Nevi, I say a big work for digging Marcel because the dirt tough.
Dirt tough, you know, come like when you did that fall.
You said the dirt tough, it's not like when it's raining.
Not me, I can't dig now, you know.
Yam hill.
Me can't dig now. You see it, Marcel? You remember how we used to have it rain? And that ball how it rain?
Yes.
And you see it now? Not in Yam hill dig now. Man.
How about Basil? Mr. Yamhead.
That is tough. That's if I can't bore it.
Put my big stone in there now.
Small ones I can beat down easy.
This man there, we have his son about town where they are finding it. His son come out Dalton, his son, he want to have it come out and give one brother $2,000 to give me. And you say, what take money and use it? Yesterday the brother come but to run also. That I said one where they are finding Maureen son can come here. Can come up buy and give me.
And him use it.
So when you say I get it?
You know, tell me not about a boy, one.
You're supposed to get it today.
Good thing you did carry this, Marcel.
Yeah, I tell you.
To do a good job.
Hey. See that Papa Nevi?
Yes, sir.
You have to make it into a slope so the water run off, right?
Peter.
Oh, but why if you do it like that? With the sink in there? I was thinking.
Remember in the middle of water running.
Oh,
It will
okay.
come down, so.
Okay. So that part where they know if you go lower down up here, so.
Yes, miss.
Okay, sir.
That well done, you can't go do the kid, miss.
Huh?
And that well done, the kid, you can't go do it.
No more.
So you learn it good.
Just always a look so.
Yes. Yeah, so good woman I'm here, you know, man.
Yeah.
You must see the black
Bad woman I'm here, son.
Yes. Good miss them, man. Then lay black and flash out for a while. You never know say woman do it.
That's true. Mass Nevi, you did go somewhere a while ago?
Oh.
Huh?
You just come.
Me did out on the road, you know.
Oh, you say you just go get bread?
Yes. And Peter tell me say, you know, say now come with me, I say, boy.
Yes.
Boy, them say them a come, but them.
We're not sure. So bad.
You can't make a no for that Mass Nevi, man.
She said, if Mass Nevi say, Peter say we come in and he said, boy.
You know for that. We are coming in and see it.
We always come though.
Yes.
Might not be when you think, but we
yeah,
always show up.
Come on, Peter. When you say come, what you say at time.
Yes.
Time's everything. You say now, oh, come on. You don't take no care long.
Yes.
No, come.
Because look here, your appointment was the 9th of January.
Yeah.
And we came after that.
Yes.
Can't remember the exact date.
Yeah, man, you come.
Yeah.
So I big down here.
Yeah, from December, we carry the cement.
Yes.
We put on the door before Christmas, you know. Like a week or a few days before Christmas. So the cement is like a month.
Month, yeah.
They have when the cement they hardware put on for y'all 10 months.
I don't know, but maybe because up here cold.
No, sir, but the hardest thing with them to keep it.
Oh.
Mass Nevi.
Yes, sir.
Oh, your yard full of stone.
Stone, yeah. You know, sir.
Your yard full of stone.
No,
You can't fight any stone war up here.
war.
So,
Yeah, man.
yeah, you can't take up one of them and fi dash.
Yeah. Come up, man.
Can't put them in a doorway when we are up. Is it, man?
No, me no. What we mean say, you know, war yourself to throw them so far. War yourself, need
You have
to
to-
go.
Yeah, man, you have to make space there, so.
Yeah.
Which part you go through, you know, them you want it.
No, me go to the road, so, lay back.
Mass Nevi,
Yes, sir.
you see the drum cover that we carry on the drum we bring?
Yes, ma'am.
I think you should take it off and put it on this one here, so.
Yes.
You can't fit on it.
Or just cover it because normally the zinc is on it, and you know, persons watching us or viewers or subscribers, them always concerned that the zinc is too close to your face when you're coming out.
Yes.
So
Put back no piece of zinc.
yeah, just use the drum cover.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But that means you're going to want one cover for the drum now inside.
Inside no bad.
Inside
Yeah.
no bad.
Only rat them will pass through.
Yeah, pass through them and drop in there.
I never know no rat here.
No, sir, you not told me at all again. You buy rat price till at tired time you hear none again.
They're
They
gone.
know say you're tired and that's why they don't come back.
They mark the
Price on
spot.
this babe
They
till.
don't go back this time and they walk around with too much.
When me set the rat price, me say that when me no say that, me say me must set it with food. And that me do. So I give me like what me do when me like to be right. So when you set it with all the rice and all that thing, you know, they eat up everything.
Yes. Minister of Health passing.
Where them I go? I wonder if you there come to Mass Nevi.
No, sir.
So then come with them a back bush here.
So then probably coming through New Hope way.
No, so they come from here.
So you just come right up here.
Huh?
No. Mass Nevi asked me if we drive up. It's
Man
rumpy.
back will come up, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Mass Nevi say cock up.
One back carry up.
Yeah.
Not real cowboy and cowgirl.
Yes, man. We only need a cow.
Yeah. You know, because we are boy and girl, so we need that now. You hear me? You hear what I say?
We only need a cow, man.
Rough weather.
Yeah. The Mass Nevi, we wonder how we gonna get the drum and that is one of the reasons why we took so long to come. Because you see, if it was just like the groceries and the small things, we could.
Me know say that, man.
Yeah, but like the drum with the water. So it took us a little longer to kind of coordinate everything. Yeah.
This is how we do it.
I think you miss me.
Oh, yeah, I wonder if it in the pan, make me come look. Mass Nevi can find the eye
Why you
drops.
take it from me, you know? I said me have it safe. What you last say?
It can't last.
Let me see which part you put in.
Oh, you make
See it here and keep it.
Yes, man.
Alright. Yeah, put it in your pocket.
Yes, so I was about to put it in already.
Okay.
I was a glass case, I put it in. About it, I put it in it. Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, that's true.
This is the people heart is alright. You know, we provide somebody, you know.
Yeah. I take coffee and throw it away.
Yes, man.
But remember, we did bring a whole heap of stuff the other day. Where you put them?
Then here, so far, petal, 2 petal are working, you know.
Oh, she at work, so she can't get to come.
Home yet, yeah.
Alright, we're going to take off that here and throw it out.
Yes, man.
What's your work?
She work a Christian.
Oh, okay.
Matter of time.
Yeah, it's just for us because we get the phone, charge it up, but we have to get a SIM card to put in it.
They have some phone, you know, where you have, you know, you talk to yourself, talk to you, and then the phone that want to, you know, press
The one that talks back, eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Some of them have the settings in it, you have to go find it. So like the regular phones that we use, like my phone, there's a setting, so if I go in there, then the phone, everything I do on the phone, it talks back.
Yes, but what I didn't have.
Inform a phone that Mass Nevi. You can't use the phone in a crowd.
But my...
Everything what you do, it I tell people. Here?
Yes,
He and Zaire is a cock up.
no privacy.
No privacy, Mass Nevi.
Man must have privacy here, man.
Eh?
No care how it's going on life if you have privacy.
You have to just left your phone and you go out then.
Yeah.
Then you have to use.
But in there you're more than you how in the out.
But you for me, I don't have to go press on the number them, you know.
Yeah. And maybe you could manage the Android phone either, you know.
Other call me and tell me say I come out yesterday.
Okay, if you did have one.
Yeah.
So that's the next thing we're going to do for
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Bring it and get the SIM card for it and see if it works.
Yes, man. Yeah. That is our problem we have here.
Yes, then it wouldn't have to gone so far go call us.
Right. Right, man.
Mass Nevi can't walk, exercise.
Yes, exercise is good. You I'm going to listen to them, man, but I got me serve.
Yes.
If I go voice that make a difference to me. No worry.
Remember then, remember.
Remember? Well, you don't go to church then. If you are a member, you don't go to church.
If you're not a member, not go to church. Right, son. You did one more?
Yeah, I use a show. I mix up the come on. So I use a show and I right off that.
Oh, you want some down here? Oh.
I go pin it on, you know.
You want to flush toilet, man?
No, it's not, I mean, no water. Can't use water, I mean, no water, brother.
Water issue.
Yes, man.
Rain soon start falling.
No, but all of them are telling me, I know when you have a toilet in your yard and say a flush toilet, you want your people a ball. No water to flush it. So, the worst thing that.
Dry time.
Yeah. Oh, the fall them are stepping on concrete.
Yeah, so.
I'll tell them not to come in here today. Today off limit.
This is my tiling shovel, you know, that's why it's short, so.
Yeah.
Cut it. Cut the long one.
You see, and after I used to walk, go to my place, you know. Yes, my place one away there, and tell me I go around, you know, there's a free road to go on there. Tell you about me, no like, tell you from my old man did around 9 years now to 8 years, me no walk this.
What did happen to him? He was sick?
Yes, man, he called me from town to him because he
I think you did tell us already. Oh, so you came down to take care of him?
And I don't want to do it. I want more know. I don't know what it happened to him, but then the man didn't want to go to doctor. First time people don't like go doctor, you know.
Yeah.
And I get water good in the morning, soon. And I used to get water, give me a knock on the door, knock. That a man I can't hear. But I say this is something funny.
Steady.
So I go call the next man. Then you call Melbourne, and when I go call Melbourne now. The man did in the house.
So he was sick and never wanted to go to the doctor?
Doctor said, yeah. So first time people don't like doctor, no?
Yeah.
Now we don't love them neither, Mass Nevi.
You love going Dr. Mass Nevi?
Yeah, look, them say me for that look at doctor not at all.
What you follow?
For the bottom, me say me you go no doctor. Say me I been if you go no doctor.
Oh, so you're not going to doctor with your eye?
Me pray.
You must pray. Oh.
Yes, you can pray. That answer prayer.
Yeah.
You don't know about the doctor. Doctor no God.
That's But I got good spiritual in the doctor them still.
Yes. Inspire them.
So, we are going.
Put stone there, so.
What you say, Mass Nevi?
When you turn on it, it blaze.
Oh, Mass Nevi say.
If you blaze. When you not blaze, if you have a problem.
I say to you.
You say, I have to go look on the film.
Yeah. When you not blaze, if you call me.
Yeah.
Turn on and you not blaze.
Is that true? Yes.
Yeah.
True.
Unless the burner damage now or something.
Yeah, that's has to be.
Is the two of them flaring up?
One, only the top one.
The top.
I me use the most time.
Oh, so maybe unless the burner burn out. I'll have a look on it.
Yeah.
No, she me a talk. I like runner. Me did tell us
Yeah,
them
the runner.
Yeah, them me want.
You want the runner?
Yeah, so you can get rid of this piece of cloth off of the table.
That is
So Marcel outside guys trying to close up the hole under the door. Right there.
these me.
Nailing something and he'll flash something a little while. Another one.
Nail them are good.
Mass Nevi, put back that, I know that.
You know the runner there.
No man, I know that. Some things that you can spread out. Do you remember?
Come look at me.
The man nail and a hand no use.
You want more?
Good nail no one.
Mass Nevi, how long you have them nail there?
A good one.
They look like they're rotten. If that's even possible. None of them no work, Marcel? Marcel, we say a good while you have them. Marcel, so where you get the nail them from? Eh? You have them stored up, Marcel, for a long time, so maybe they know 100%.
Get two good ones. If you're not good now, you know, get some more good ones.
Okay.
Try more?
Yes, man. Two more here.
Give me that.
Alright. Thank you. Well, you see if them are not good, then I'll find them a good one. Okay.
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah, man. You see that most get two one.
Yeah. Okay, I guess I'm come around now.
Yeah.
You work out now? Okay.
I put it down, come put it down careful. That's when you come.
Mass Nevi, if I want to bought this hammer.
Yeah.
Alright, here.
Yes, boy.
And hold your hand, see what two of your nails.
Alright. When you come here, I have to finish my most can't find you.
Well, come here, come ask you for a bag of cement like how you can find nail. Man.
Find cement.
Yes, sir. I just start work as we come.
Some garbage also.
Yes, man. I sleep good. Up to this man, I can say I sleep good.
You sleep good all the while?
Yes, man. Night time, yeah.
I forgot to take up then something off 5th floor, man. So if you sweep up some things from under the table.
Yes, man. So my prayers and prayer.
You want one garbage bin?
Me put another thing there. I'm back there. So.
Well then I drop in there, then I drop on the floor.
Which bag you put them in a green one?
Yes, sir.
You have
That you ain't kind of good.
You have hole in the bottom.
Yeah, but I will put them in there.
Yeah, don't put them in a bucket and dump them. You have to get one different garbage pan. That's one bucket for that.
Yeah. We're going to take off that something there.
So them are just stick down on the table.
You want to take up my sleeve? I'll throw away. How you throw away up the Mass Nevi?
Huh?
How you throw away up here, so? Maybe, or maybe not if they know say nothing throw away. Hold this, Mass Nevi. Hold this. Whee! Toothpaste. How would that they want medication?
What imagine? But you're full of a ginger, my boss.
Yes, I will give me a voice. You see the comb, one comb better?
Comb? Yes, one comb that was some top.
Right top. Yes.
They have here, Mass Nevi.
Yes, ma'am.
See your fork, can you
They have here for comb. The pan.
You comb me here, man.
Now we must have to keep in this thing here. This one here.
You want to put on the soap.
Hold this one, Nevi.
glue down.
Trying to garbage.
And I you put it.
You must.
Then some flour in there.
So what?
No man, I bucket.
I know I do.
Mass Nevi, me take off a sitting here for top of the table, you know.
Yes, man. What?
A piece of wood right there up on top.
No, I come to the table, make the table, you know.
But you don't need it, Panny.
You drop off, you know.
No, look good.
Push it back on left if you don't want it. Sure.
I come with it, man.
Say it come with you.
You say from a little pick, yeah, you learn if you hold pan.
Alright, we fix it better.
That table there. Me don't fit up whole pan if you turn up, you know.
When you're a baby?
Yes.
So you know, say well, all.
Yes.
So you can't dash right?
No, you can't get my furniture again. You can't get my furniture again, you know.
You know, get the one again. You get it already,
Yeah,
Mass
get better on this.
Nevi.
No, sir.
But you don't watch away.
No, sir.
All right.
First, I'm going to spread this up there.
Yeah.
Alright, let me cut them now.
Let me look.
Mass Nevi,
Oh, you're gonna light it? Me have lighter.
step on this one.
Okay. Oh. I will if I smoke that now.
You have to watch it for me, Mr. Daly, for me, want to get to it.
You can't go nowhere because you burn out most of the place, right?
Why? Why? Good thing you can't want drum of water.
That me I tell you. That me I tell you.
Just in case.
I don't mean a bone master for me.
Yeah, blazing.
I know what time this is burn out.
Yeah, but look how quickly it gone down. Why?
But you say you can't burn it. But me I say me not burn it better. Yes. Me I say me not burn it, you know. But I'm afraid.
You're afraid. By the time dry, you don't want it get away. Burn out, it finish.
Then you light it.
Yes, I'm delighted, but when we light it, we need it too.
Oh.
So me know say, you know. And master, when you see, when you there around a tire, you know, you see a light fire going on the hill down there, so you know, it won't go away, come up all the place, you know.
Yeah.
It won't down the whole place. And I tell me about the one Christmas, man, I plow me up to plow on the house. The house no burn down.
Plow around it?
Yes.
Oh, you mean, okay, so you move the grass and
I plow it.
yeah.
That the fire can't move over it.
Yeah.
I'm going to go plant this, you know. Yeah, man. And cane.
Yeah.
You tell me.
You can't remember something, so.
Him just as a member lighter, you know, why you left with
You
it.
say remember, I say me forgive me.
Never said no. Never said no. I like bush me living no.
I true, you can imagine we gone and you as a lodgy, then gone with the lighter.
Not feel light.
Wrong here, Mass Nevi.
Carry on your water.
Yes, sir. What? It you run back? I mean, put up something.
Stay right where you're there, because this not hard up yet. Yeah?
When I drum in the sour, I put it out there.
Yeah.
You can't come out now, Mass Nevi. How much jugs is that?
Just them two, yeah. Little bit left in another one, but want to pay. Wash up.
Okay. So what's up there on the tree?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, somebody tell you?
No, sir. Woman was saying about top beer.
Oh.
You don't see none you can pick for yourself?
I don't know if them not fit.
You're not fit yet? What?
No, it not look so.
Then I tell me, missus. You tell them I tell me. Probably when they're ready, they come pick it.
They want it for themselves.
You never tap beer.
You go one way and come back the next way. I never know say so far you have to go down with the water. So far Mass Nevi have to go?
Yes.
Yeah, down there. You say bed.
So far a bed, Mass Nevi?
Yes, ma'am. I don't have no bathroom, Miss B.
Oh.
So I have to be down here.
Don't step out tonight.
No, sir, me. You have substance in this, you know, could I put here so?
Yeah, we soon do it because...
That zinc we put away.
Yes, sir.
So you can walk on it?
No, me could have step over it.
No, we don't want you to step over it. Where you go?
Try, man. You want to come out?
And step over now. I want to come out now.
Mass Nevi say...
At night you should have come and do it, so when you go to your bed.
Yes.
That's right.
Because at 5 o'clock, Mass Nevi got...
Then you know, the cement bag they can't carry and put a white, you know.
It's
Cement in there.
Oh,
Or quarter.
cock up.
Crack up.
So, you're going to lift it up here?
Yeah, man, I mean, I feel.
Mass Nevi want to come in, come pack out the groceries
Yes,
for you into the food pan and put back your things on the table.
Me put them back on the table.
You put them already?
Yes, sir.
In the
But me, I'm going to fool over you.
I'm going to put the sand.
Put it in your same place.
Oh.
Sand hot, you bag heavy, man.
Make it down there, sir.
Alright, so you do that already, so.
I'm going to cement now, you can't put it in here.
Yeah, I'm put in the cement.
This sometime.
Alright.
So you got to get more salt when we can use.
Yeah.
Come back and use it.
Alright, they could find sand, give me.
We have more cement, you know, when I come back and use out everything.
Yes, man. Take your time, Paul.
Alright, Mass Nevi, let me do that.
Yes,
and then.
Yeah. See them here?
Yeah, me pack it out for you.
Yes, ma'am. In there.
You do want to put it ready upon the jump in here, so?
In there, so they could just make it in time, sir. And put it ready in there, so.
These are going in your water.
No,
Mass
man.
Nevi say if you make his zinc stay because I want you know have nothing to put the radio on.
Yes.
So why you not put the radio in here, so?
Over here, so.
Yes. The man not like you plug in here or anything, you know, it's a solar radio.
Alright.
You prefer when it over there, so?
Yes, ma'am.
You say prefer when it over there, so?
When you else don't want to make so much noise.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, here good better.
Alright, when we come back, we see if we find one barrel cover, but you have to go fix this thing so that you know in your face when you're walking out.
I say not trouble me a long time, did you? Not trouble me, man.
Alright.
Put it right upon it.
Alright, Mass Nevi, we pack the pan, so
The rice and all.
Marcella put it up there, so let me see rice where you say, look.
Put it pan, run back.
White rice. Okay.
No, on the table, I put it in.
Yes, sir, put it in.
Yeah, put it up there, so one corner.
White rice, yeah.
Oh, you love white rice. That I like one you like.
Too much starch.
You get yam and something when you up your Mass Nevi?
Yes, me get beside your man, sir.
Alright, see your pan up on your son.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, boss, me pan one of your water now?
Yeah, oh God, man. We got to take back quick.
Alright, we'll go.
Oh, yeah, so thanks.
Alright. We'll go see if I can fix back Mass Nevi carpet. Sweep off the floor, fix back the carpet. Alright. Alright, Mass Nevi, we'll sweep right here, so but we can't put it all out because we don't want to go up on the concrete here.
Yeah, it's
Yeah. And then we can pull back your carpet. Pull back your carpet. Alright, so that's you, Mass Nevi.
God bless you, miss.
And your suitcase, when you're ready, you put in the stuff where you need in there.
So look over this set now, come here to take up the water.
Oh, the water, if you take up.
Which water?
The water there, so it talk around the so.
A case of water.
You want to say that go?
Yeah. All right. So guys, thank you so much, you know, for everything. Blessings to all our donors, all our viewers, all our subscribers. We thank you immensely. May your storeroom never be empty. We thank you for your continued support, you know, of the work that we do. We are able to help others because of you. And we have to say thanks to God Almighty, because without him, none of this would have been possible. So until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye. All right. What you doing, Mass Nevi?
This thing we are.
The carpet won't sweep off, man.
Just put that pan in shovel. Just heat it.
Just put it. I'll put it right there.
Yeah.
Mass Nevi,
Yes, ma'am.
leave your water. Marcel, I'll take it up for you.
Yes.
Put it on this so. All right. Ooh, smoke. All right, that's you.
Yes, ma'am.
So we get the water, Marcel, and those things in the corner, and then that's it. Mass Nevi, see, I have one big bag here. I don't know where it have it. Let me find it around there. So.
Yes, ma'am. I'll put it in there.
You put your soap and tissue in there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, and God bless you. And your store basket may never empty, that you can help somebody and help me. Thank you in God's name. God bless.
All right, Mass Nevi.